Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together my shadow box cards. I've had other tutorials in the past, including blog posts, but I thought I'd do it again because I have a whole new set of shadow box cards coming out, and so I thought it'd be fun to show you. These are made in particular using these are called Pop Dots. I couldn't remember what they were called for a second. And you can see they create a really beautiful, cool effect. These are actually very quick to put together. And you can find them all in my Silhouette shop or on my website at KarinaGardner.com. One thing I want to note, if you are a Silhouette VIP on my website at KarinaGardner.com, that's a free group that I send a weekly freebie to, and I've sent shadow box cards in the past, and I will continue to send other cool freebies. So you might get one of these in that. So make sure and join at KarinaGardner.com and click on exclusive VIP. All right, so let me just show you. Let's put these away so that you can take a peek. So many fun card shapes. I think you're gonna love them all. So we're gonna put together one I've called Little Boy Dinosaur, and I've already put the pop dots on the back. Now, these are not dots, these are the little pieces that come off on the outside of a pop dot card like this. So once I've used all the pop dots, I'll just cut up these pieces and use them, and they work really great for these kinds of frames. So you have a folded card piece. Okay, so that's what we're gonna start with. You're gonna choose the biggest card piece to go on first. And by the way, the fun of these cards is that you can make them so unique. You can make them however you want. And you know, this one in particular, I'm doing a white card and craft paper for the outside, but I've done different layers of colors. It's just really fun. Okay, so this one's thicker than this one, so it's the one that goes on next. And once you layer that on, and actually I would put this on before you layered it, but because I put my pop dots on first, you can see that I'm just gonna glue it next. And by the way, I super recommend stick glue for my shadow box cards. I really like stick glue. Hot glue kind of creates a lot of bumps, and I hate that. So glued on, awesome. And then we're gonna use the next one up, and you can see I've already stick glued down this cute little green frame on the outside. And then I have one dino left. I'm gonna glue him on the back, and you'll notice you can see my dinos are 2 layers just so I can get those 2 colors, but I try to make it easy by making one silhouette, and then you have one that you cut out and put on top. How cute would this be for a little boy birthday? And that's it, you guys. That is a shadow box card, and you can see you can write your note in the card itself, and you can change up the colors, but isn't that darling? Okay, make sure and join me at KarinaGardner.com and click on exclusive VIP to become part of my Silhouette group. And you can find all of my designs at in my Silhouette shop. All right, see you guys.